Today we are actually playing with the real excavator, bulldozer, and forklift. It's pretty fun.
Welcome to another wonderful episode of Tiger Mom and Kitten Daddy. We're at the Asana right now, playing with real tomicas.
Wow!
What is this called? What's this called? It's a bulldozer. Excavator is that one.
You see? Lihat tuh Declan. Declan's expression.
Itu yang
Wow, wow, wow!
bikin naik itunya.
Itu namanya piston. Piston kan biasanya ada dump truck, right?
Yes, the first ride is actually a bulldozer.
I don't know. There's so many buttons. Daddy has to learn first. Daddy don't know how to ride this. Oh, that's the instruction.
Oh, there's instruction, Declan, over there.
See there? Hey, don't turn on the key. Don't turn on the key, Declan.
There's instruction there.
Pakai action itu ada nggak? Ini action? Oh iya, ada ya? Mana bang?
There's AC.
Oh iya, keren juga. Wow.
Hai. Kalau mau hai si hai anti.
Recording.
Lagi dong, dikit.
This is what happened when there's a bunch of immature parents hanging out in the same spot. Look at that. With the kids. Where's Deco? But Deco, stay right here with Daddy. A bunch of immature parents. Okay, what's the promotion line? What's the promotional line?
Kita sana, kita go strong. It can carry for mommy and for kids.
Along with the daddies on the top. And this is the boss of Kasana. That's it, that's the brand.
feel like having 2 kids, Daddy?
Not ready.
Not ready yet? Wow, amazing, Declan.
Chloe, can you help Declan? What can you help? Yeah. This one.
What is that for?
To go higher.
Go higher, yeah.
How about this one? Which one is going down, Declan?
Yeah, car is so overrated, so 90s.
Are you ready?
Even the pregnant lady is willing to take this attraction. Pregnant lady should feel safe.
Sumpah Christmas lagi. Kipas lo.
Uh-oh. And that's the end of today's episode of Tiger Mom and Kitten Daddy. We hope you enjoyed the clips. Totally something that we can do over in the US because of the safety hazard, but we don't care. So thank you, and please subscribe. Come on, Dagan, what do you say to the camera?
Bye.
Say to the camera. Subscribe, please.
Bye, please.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.